Launching a new product without knowing what's already out there is like driving blindfolded. You need to know what competitors are selling, at what price, what features they're highlighting, and where the gaps are. The problem is that this data is scattered across dozens of e-commerce platforms: Amazon, Walmart, eBay, and other marketplaces. Each one requires its own research workflow. Most teams end up copying and pasting product details into spreadsheets, one listing at a time. It takes days, the data goes stale fast, and by the time you finish your analysis, the market has already moved. Some teams try building their own scrapers, but that means maintaining a different one for every platform. And e-commerce APIs? They either don't exist or come with strict rate limits that make large-scale research impractical. Today, I'm going to show you how to use e-commerce scraping tool to turn any online marketplace into structured product research dataset. One tool, any e-commerce site, and structured data in minutes. You'll be able to benchmark competitors, compare prices, and analyze entire product categories across multiple platforms in a single run. Let me show you how to set things up. Head to Apify Store and search for e-commerce scraping tool. Click try for free and sign in to your Apify account, or sign up for free if you don't have one. That takes you to Apify console. The actor gives you 3 ways to feed it data. You can paste in product detail URLs if you already know which specific products you want to track. You can paste in category listing URLs to scrape an entire product category from a retailer. Or you can use keyword search to find products across a platform based on a search term, like Bluetooth headphones. The beauty here is that you can mix URLs from different platforms in the same run. Paste in an Amazon category page, a Walmart listing, and a few eBay product URLs all at once. The actor handles them all. For each product, you get the essentials: name, description, price, brand, and images. You also get unique product identifiers, so matching products across different retailers is easy. And if a product comes in multiple variants such as size, colors, configurations, you get those too. There's also an AI analysis feature worth turning on. It lets you define which fields matter most for your research and add a custom prompt. So instead of just raw data, you can get synthesized insights automatically, like a summary of average price brands or top-selling features in a category. Before you hit start, save your configuration as a task. You'll want to come back to this. Hit start, and the actor goes to work. Results start populating as they come in, and you can preview them right in the Output tab. Once the run finishes, export your data as JSON, CSV, Excel, or XML. For most product research work, CSV or Excel lets you sort them immediately. If you want this running on a regular basis, say weekly, to track price changes and new product launches, save your task and set up a schedule. Your dataset refreshes automatically, so you always have a current picture of the market. For teams that want the data flowing into their existing stack, the Integrations tab connects you to Google Sheets, Slack, Zapier, Make, and more. Now, for a couple of interesting things you could do with your dataset. First use case: build a weekly market intelligence report, fully automated. Set up your e-commerce scraping tool task to run on a weekly schedule. Then connect it to Zapier. When the task finishes, Zapier pulls the dataset, sends it to Google Sheets so you have a historical record, and then passes the data to an AI step. That AI step compares this week's results with last week's and generates an executive summary. Are there new products in the category? Have any competitors changed their prices? Are ratings shifting up or down? Are new sellers entering the top spots? Zapier then emails that summary straight to your inbox. You wake up Monday morning with a market briefing ready to go. No manual work involved. Second use case: product gap analysis. Use the AI analysis step to scan product titles and descriptions for specific attributes and features. Compare what competitors are highlighting against your own catalog. If 3 out of 5 competitors mention noise cancellation in their mid-range headphones and you haven't added it, that's a feature gap worth addressing. If you see a price tier with high demand but only 1 or 2 products, that's an opportunity to fill. E-commerce scraping tool gives you structured product and pricing data from virtually any online retailer in minutes. One tool, any platform, ready for analysis. If you want to see more ways to use Apify for e-commerce intelligence, check out the videos linked on screen. If this was useful, give us a like and subscribe for more tutorials, like this one. Drop a comment if you have any questions. So long, and thanks for all the likes.